Good morning, everybody. What was that noise? I don't even know. I thought I heard a noise. We are here. We are ready to go, and we don't have a chat. Who do we got here? We got to refresh the chat, see what's going on so far. We have, let's go to the top of the screen. Got Bender first in the chat. Bender, Frank, Bender, Yankee, Giovanni, Yankee, CD Wit, Honorarium, CD Wit, Kombu, Honorarium, CD Wit, Kombu, Honor, Geoped. We got Honorarium, Kombu, Honorarium, Bender, Peter, Kombu, Peter, Suzuki, Geoped, Suzuki, John J, Kombu, Maurice, Kombu, Suzuki, John J. John J, where you been, man? Where you been? Thank you very much for the super chat. John J coming in hot. Welcome to the Red Kingdom. John J, man, glad to have you in here, and thank you very much for that super chat. We got Suzuki, Outdoor Smile, Giovanni, Suzuki, all of you guys. I am glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out and see what's happening so far today. That's not the market. This is the market. You get AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting up 0.45% today. 0.5% gain, $4.51 after highs of around $4.64 this morning, and lows, of course, around $4.47. So $4.51 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin, 963 points per coin. Shib is sitting at 1.85% higher on the day. GameStop, 1407. Not looking too good for GameStop over the last couple of days here, guys. Let's see where this is at on a daily chart. Treading water, man. Treading water down here at the $14 per share level. I'd watch out for GameStop if it drops below that $14 per share. But on the daily chart there, GameStop looking to hold the $14 line. Bitcoin. Jeez Louise, dude. Have you guys seen Bitcoin today? Look at this, man. This is like bull market activity strength. From these lows of $38,000 here, hit at the end of January, it has essentially done nothing but go up. Ripping off 38,000, showing mad strength over the last week, and sitting at 131 I want to show you guys this, okay? Let's scroll back to the bull market. Let's scroll back to this action right here. Very, very similar. Climbing for the entirety of a year from 2020, ripping off those $10,000 lows, doing nothing but moving higher. And look at this activity. It's just day after day after day of gain like this, taking it to that $60,000, $55,000. This is where we're at right now. It only needs a small little boost to get up to these 60,000 plus levels. Same deal back here. This massive, massive daily rally. This is what we have going on from the $40,000 mark, day after day after day of gain, to right where we are right now. And it could continue on and rip up to $65,000. And then it's just a tiny 2-day wick above that level to take it to $69,000 Bitcoin. I'm telling you guys, Bitcoin is in a bull market right now. Bitcoin is showing some mad strength with nothing but gains for the entirety of a year, bringing it off those $15,000 lows down here, all the way up to $52,000 highs. So Bitcoin is looking very strong, and hopefully it continues on that way. Honorarium coin market cap listing imminent, baby. I like it, Suzuki. Google promoting Bitcoin this morning helped out a lot. Man, I don't know if there's a cat here or what. Helped out a lot on the price increase. BlackRock loaded up on Bitcoin. Yeah, I did see that, man. BlackRock loading up on Bitcoin. $500 million inflows into Bitcoin, I think, in the last 24 hours, just from BlackRock alone. Shiba Inu coin going on a nice little rally from 960 to 970 in a very short period of time there. Shiba Inu coin stepping on a little rocket, moving up a nice 1% in about 5 minutes. This is where us XRP investors get upset. We see everything going up, and XRP is stuck. XRP investors' frustration. Yeah, you know what, Giovanni? I would say Shiba Inu coin investors are almost in the same boat as well with XRP right now. You know, Shib moving up, like this nice little candle right here. Shib moving up from 960 to 970. Dude, it was at 1,000 points per coin last month. It was at 1,200 points per coin 2 months ago. Like, look at the daily here. You know, you come back down, you come to the end of January, and Shiba Inu coin's testing 1,200 points per coin. So, yeah, it's been a very nice couple of days, taking it from 880 to almost 980 today. But at the same time, people are looking at it like, dude, this is just where we've been hanging out for like the last 6 months. So, had a nice little Shibarium spike back here in August, ran up nicely from the 800 to 1,200 point per coin levels, tested that 1,200 point per coin level again, and of course could be on its way to test that 1,200 point per coin level once more if the action continues on there and the daily graph continues to show some strength. At the moment, though, it's very interesting. Shiba Inu coin posting some green lines. Bitcoin down here posting some purple lines. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But Ethereum, Bitcoin moving lower, while Dogecoin, dude, something, Elon, did Elon mention something with Dogecoin? What's going on right now? Because Shib is going up and Doge is going up, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are declining a little bit right now. Let's see. Don't forget Ethereum is following. Giovanni. Took some profits on CKB when it tagged the cent yesterday. Do you think we hold above the cent mark? I'm starting to feel I sold too early. Maurice, man, we'll take a look at it. I don't know if it's going to hold above a cent or not. What I do know is if it does hold above a cent, I think it was the 1,200 point per coin mark that you were likely to test on. Not 1,200 point per coin, sorry, 1.2 cents. That you were likely to test on. Whoa! My goodness, dude. You get caught on a keyboard here and you just decide to rip out of the ring light. That's nuts. Let's see. Not White Dragon. CKB. Alright, CKB. Nervous Network. 108, man. 1.1 cent. Dang, dude, a 23% daily gain today. Nervous Network is looking very good. So, all-time graph. We're coming back to look at it. If you had horizontal lines, you're right at this 1 cent mark. It is resistance. If it breaks it, yeah, dude, I'd say you're going 1.2, 1.3 cents. And then, of course, 1.5 cents. And then up to your 2 cent levels. So, it is proven to be extremely strong resistance in the past. I don't know if it's going to be, or support in the past. I don't know if it's going to be extremely strong resistance moving forward. If it does break up above it, yeah, you're most likely going to hold above that 1 cent line, knowing how strong of support it was in the past. I just don't know if you're going to confirm a break up above that line, man. It's pretty bad when Honorarium has more percentage gain on a day than AMC. Honorarium, that is, well, dude, that's kind of bad considering how many people know AMC. But at the same time, AMC, dude, AMC has done nothing but go down for like the last lifetime. AMC 0.78% higher, $4.52 right now. But man, oh man, that daily chart looks worse than stinking farming, man. Oh my goodness. $4 from $300 highs that it shows back here. Jeez, $400. But it should be $700 highs because they're not adjusting for ape shares, which they absolutely should be. So it should show a 99.5% loss there from $700 down to $3.50. 99.5% that Adam Aaron stole out of retail investors' hands, claiming to be apes and pledging allegiance to Adam Aaron, the biggest shark and snake of them all. Now, coming back down in the chat, here we go. Yo, Clay, Bitcoin taking off. Kelly, yes, Bitcoin is looking good, man. How many tickets does it take to make an octopus? Oh, how many tickles? 10 tickles. John Jay, we missed you, man. John Jay, we missed you. Honorarium! Thank you very much for the super chat. Honorarium says, coin market cap listing is imminent. Once I receive the email response, it's go time. Boom, baby. And then we moon. Dark Bro, man, you're going to have to let us know when you get that response. I got a lot of people in here excited about Honorarium. They want to see that bad boy listed on CoinMarketCap. They want to see some major gains. They want to see $1 million market caps. They want to see nothing but price increase. And of course, it's going to be very cool, man, because it is your coin. So that is going to be even better because it's somebody we know doing it, and instead of somebody who is potentially going to rip it out from under us and scam us. How does a taco say grace? Let us pray. Man, John Jay is coming in hot today. I like it, John Jay. Hey, Clay Bro, I read that Big Apple Coke has been asked to change his handle on your server. That bad, eh? Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. Well, if it's in Discord, man, maybe. I don't know. Look, I really don't care what your guys' names are and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna say them, right? I'm not gonna. If the names are sort of disrespectful or bad connotations or anything like that, I mean, dude, that's still you, right? If that's what you want to make your name, that's what screen names are for. They can be whatever you want them to be for. But at the same time, dude, I mean, I'm not going to go around and say, oh, hey, Mom, Big Apple Coke just sent me a message today. Isn't that great? And my mom's going to be like, so, no, dude. Some names, they just don't get said, but at the same time, I'm not going to sit there and tell you what you can and cannot name yourself and stuff like that. You are a pickle, Clay. Relaxing sounds. I don't know if that's good or bad, man. Man, Dogecoin and Shib. Actually looking very nice today. Dogecoin up 8.6 cents. Shiba Inu coin, 976 points per coin. Both of them throwing massive green candles on the screen right now. And I like the rally that's taking place. Ethereum bouncing back nicely. Bitcoin bouncing back nicely, going from 51.5 to 51.7. And that's the thing, man. You guys might not realize that this is a $250 gain in Bitcoin right here, because these are extremely little candles, especially if they look like that. It's just extremely little candles. But dude, Bitcoin is it's up $250 over the last 5 minutes here, going from 51.5 to 51.750. So, Bitcoin looking good. Shib looking very good. Shib continues to throw them green lines on there, man. Dogecoin down to the bottom left looking phenomenal right now. I imagine that those gains are coming from some Elon speculation or something happening out on X right now. Also, Ponky is poo. What's CMC? Kiali'i, Coin Market Cap. Coin Market Cap is CMC. So the website that we use quite often in here, this one right here, Coin Market Cap, to look at different cryptocurrencies, that is what CMC stands for. CMC is going to respond and say 10. Oh god, dude. If they do, man, don't fall for that extortion right there. All right, if they do, don't fall for that extortion, because that is extortion. I didn't think it could go down more, but I was wrong. Ponky is poo, man. Ponky poo. I wouldn't worry about Shiba and altcoins. Takes a few hours before it follows Bitcoin. Looks like it's happening right now. Yeah, Giovanni, something's going on right now, right? Something's going on with Shib and Doge and everything else. To me, this looks a little different, though. To me, this kind of looks like some Elon stuff. Elon mentioning Doge, or people getting excited about Doge and X payments and stuff like that, because this is very nice. This is very nice here. Yeah. Peter, and then I'll fly to wherever their headquarters is and give them a thumb of justice. Make it happen. Honorarium. Simtropy up 90% in 30 days. Simtropy. Marcus, let's take a look at it. Johnny Quest, greetings to you as well, man. No, for real. Why am I getting 5 ads since 12? Smokes, Bender. I don't know. Did anybody else get a ridiculous amount of ads? Bender. I still got the same settings as before, man. You should really only be getting the ads at 12.25. 12.25 and 12.50 is when you should really be getting those ads there. Syntropy is what we were looking at here. I don't know if I can find it. Marcus. Can't find it, Marcus. But, guys, I know you've seen Smog. Smog making a nice little comeback here. Bouncing up nicely off these 2.5-cent lows. Coming back up, testing 5 cents today. So, doubling in price over the last 48 hours. Smog is actually still looking pretty good there. Smog is one of the ones that I did some sponsored videos on. So, absolutely appreciate all of the support that you guys showed on that. And if you want to go back and click some of those links so that they have the engagement, I would absolutely appreciate that as well. Oh my gosh, dude, the Lehman Brothers here. What do we got with this? How is this token even out for days? This is just strange, the tokens that people come up with. Truly is, man. Planktos. We looked at this one yesterday. Where's it at today? All right, back down. Why do we have this candle here? Do we have it on a 5-minute? Yep. Had it on a 5-minute. We had Planktos on a 5-minute, hitting those higher lows, and then of course it fell through, and Planktos now sitting back down here near support levels, okay? So if you guys are interested in one of these tokens that may have a second run to it, you could see some essentially 7-8x gains to get back up to these levels right here. But this could be level of support, or it could simply be dying out. You never really know. Planktos, though. Planktos sitting at 0.002,678. Every time, stupid auto cucumber. I have no idea what an auto cucumber is. Syntropy. All right, Marcus, let's take a look. There. All right, Syntropy down 10% on the day today. Nice little dip buying opportunity, I guess. Ooh-wee. Dude, that weekly looks great with a 70% gain. Yeah, man. And that monthly 85% higher. Syntropy is looking pretty solid there. Dude, the annual graph, man. Look at this going from stinking 1.9, 1.8 cents. 10xing to 18 cents. Syntropy looking phenomenal since October. And then, of course, golly bum, dude. 80-cent highs. Could you imagine 40xing on Syntropy to get back up to these all-time highs? Man. All right, now I feel a few coins have entered the circulating supply since these levels. Because this is a $300 million market cap. And a 3x here. It's going to put you above that. It's almost a 2x. 2x gain right here takes you to about 34 cents. But the price was about 80 cents. So I do feel like more coins have entered the market. But nonetheless, dude, that price action is phenomenal. Nothing happening with Shiba and Doge. Just happens every time Bitcoin goes up. Look at comparable charts. Always good time to make quick money with Doge and Shib when Bitcoin goes up. There you go. Giovanni, man. Giovanni noticing a pattern and a little bit of a delay in the price action of Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin, or Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin, man. Hey, bro, remember last week when I mentioned selling 90 shares in Tesla and moved it into other positions? Last night, YieldMax announced a 1-for-2 reverse split on Tesla. Wow, did I time that good. Frank, man. Yeah, I would imagine you would have. Let's see where Tesla is sitting right now. So Tesla, if you guys remember correctly, Tesla is the Tesla YieldMax ETF. Generates a high yield dividend And Tesla was trading about 13, 14 cents at the time that I had bought in a while ago. I sold out. I truly think what they're just doing is redistributing your capital to you, and that's it. It's not a true dividend yield that you're getting there. It's just a redistribution of your capital. But let's see where they're at today, and they are. Hold on. They are at $8.64. Now, I don't know where it was, man, but this graph is a little deceiving here because this intro price should be at 20, and it's already down because of the dividends to 10. So this would have essentially been a $23 price point instead of a $13 price point. And it would have been somewhere in this area, man. But Tesla has come down greatly since its introduction. And yes, they do pay a very nice dividend, 57 cents, 58 cents, 60 cents, 55 cents, 40 cents. But reverse splitting, dude, 1 for 2. It's going to shoot them back up to about a $16, $17 price point. And of course, they can continue doing it and keeping that graph looking nice. But honestly, man, I think it's just a redistribution of capital. I don't know. I don't think that you're really making those dividend yields there. Sorry about the live chat yesterday on Discord. To all that went looking for it and didn't find it, it was under the Honorarium Discord server side. But there will be a live space Friday on X. Very nice. Suzuki, man. Suzuki and Honorarium. Hitting up Honorarium and doing it very nicely. Luke DM. You know what? Let's pull up Terra Luna Classic real quick on the chart. We haven't had Terra Luna Classic on the screen for a while. Terra Classic. All right, man. Terra Luna Classic still sitting at 11,100 points per coin there. Sam Smeed Dronography. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. I do appreciate that. I don't know if you're in here or coming from a video, but thank you very much, Sam. Hold on, I gotta refresh this. Where's my boy's name at? Sam Smeed Dronography. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel, especially if you're in here, man. If you're not, great. Let's see. Shayna, Dad said, hey, let's go turn Clay on. Oh, well, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. I like the sound of it. Tesla is a scam, in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know full-on scam or not, but it definitely, to me, just seems like a redistribution of capital under the guise of paying an actual 50% dividend. Let's see here. Do you like Sundial as a cannabis play? I noticed it's on your watch list. Maurice, dude, Sundial was a stock that we used to watch way back in 2021, man. And I honestly, I don't have it in my portfolio anymore. I used to have Sundial in my portfolio. But Sundial was extremely active in 2021. And we just haven't taken it off, dude. I would actually be fine with replacing Sundial, Highcroft Mining, maybe Netflix. I don't think we really need Netflix on the screen here. Maybe adding a couple others if you guys want, but yeah, I don't have any interest in Sundial anymore. But dude, Sundial back in 2021 was crazy, dude. You come back here to these levels, you gotta go way, way up, right? But look at 2021 action. End of 2020, Sundial was down here at $1.30, right where it's at right now, right? It's at $1.38. It's currently at $1.35. Look what it did in 2021, though, man. Ripped up from that $1.38 to these $39 price points. And this is split adjusted. It didn't actually touch $39 at the time that it was trading. But, dude, that's a massive gain, right? And that was on huge volume, too. You were doing 60 million, 100 million, 292 million shares in a single day. Now, all of the hype, all of the legalization, all of this, cannabis talk, all of that has died down greatly. And here we are going from 292 million shares to 1.9 million shares. 1.7, 3.1, 1.4, 2.5, 3.4, 6.2, 4.3, and so on. So it is, I don't know, man. It's not what it used to be. It's definitely a lot lower volume, a lot less exciting now. But Sundial was pretty cool to watch back in 2021. Same with AMC, right? Everybody was all over it. Oh my gosh, dude, you guys can't see a single stupid thing. I promise I went all through Sundial's graph. I promise I went all through Sundial's graph here. I did, man. Ripping. $1.38 here, way back in 2020 into 2021, $39, back down, and never saw those gains again. I'm not doing the full thing because I did just do it, I promise. But you guys were stuck looking at CoinMarketCap as opposed to being able to look at Sundial. Suzuki! Oh, yeah. Suzuki's got Yankee on this one. Are you guys? Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? Did Yankee say? I think he said he was 53 today, right? All right, everybody with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yankee. Happy birthday to you. Yankee, man. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best birthday ever. Suzuki, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Wishing Yankee a happy birthday. And I do hope that everybody in here also wishes Yankee a happy birthday. Look at this. I think he said he was 53, and we got 56 now. We did have 53 viewers 2 seconds ago. So, Yankee, man, congratulations on making it another year. A happy birthday to you. And for real, man, I hope it's the best birthday ever. Let's see. Of course. So when I went CoinMarketCap to respond quickly, they take forever. Yeah, honorarium, man. It is always that way, isn't it? I bought 100,000 Pepe, and it turned into 22,000. I tried cashing out, but it says it's only worth $70. Or maybe about $100 of Pepe, and it turned into 22,000. Tried cashing it out, says it's only worth $70. Roulette wheel, Pepe where, man? Pepe where? Oh, look at all these birthday wishes, dude. I love it, man. I love it. All these birthday wishes rolling in for Yankee. Very nice. Roulette wheel, I want to see this, man. Let's see. Is it the Pepe on Solana or you might be talking about this one? All right, here's my best guess if you are talking about this Pepe right here, okay? Pancake swap, the legitimate price. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, and essentially a 1, 2. This Bitcoin Turk crypto and Bitlow here. Look at this. That was 8 zeros and a 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1, 2. So Bitlow and Bitcoin Turk or whatever, BTC Turk, these guys are obviously incorrect. Okay, they would be 1,000 times higher than the correct price. Essentially, how you could see your money turning into 22,000 based on CoinMarketCap providing prices. And these guys having an incorrect price right here. So, roulette wheel, that's my best guess if you are talking about this Pepe coin right here that's up 68% today. You got to be looking at this 0.0000119 right here on PancakeSwap. And even then, I don't know where it's coming up with these 36 prices. Must be pulling from these guys on Jupiter right now. So, yeah, it's pulling from a lot of different places, man. It's pulling from a lot of different places. What do we have here? Smash that like button. Yes, Shayna. Thank you very much. Throwing that green name out there. Look at that. I don't even know if Caesar's in the chat right now, but Caesar extremely active. And Caesar grabbing that green name. Everybody throw a shout out to Shayna for throwing that green name. Thank you very much for that. Fruits and veggies. Fruits and veggies. Thank you very much for the $5 super chat. When 10,000 shorts get wrecked, my man. Fruits and veggies. Are you talking about the actual when coin, or are you talking about something else? If we're talking about when coin, we can look it up. But I want to make sure. Fruits and veggies, dude. Let's make it happen. When 10,000. It's got to be this one, right? $1.45 million in the liquidity pool right here. But shorts do get wrecked, man. I don't think when's going to be going to $10,000 per coin. But hey, maybe 10,000 points per coin. Something along those lines. Fruits and veggies, man. If you guys haven't seen when, and this is what he's talking about, I'm under the assumption, not sure. But it has had a very nice daily graph. It is doing, dude, it's a huge coin. I mean, honestly, this is, wow, man. Wow, this is crazy. Going from, what, 4 zeros and a 4 to 3 zeros and a 1 right here. Ripping up nicely, more than doubling in price in the last couple of days. When absolutely rolling over the last 72 hours. More than 100% increase in price. So when token is actually looking very, very good. Fruits and veggies, man. I hope you're making some money on it. All a scam. I will hold since it's only $100. Roulette wheel. Was that the one? Was that the correct one you're talking about? No, not yet. I live on very little income, but we'll have some honorarium very soon. Yankee, man. Yankee. Do what's best for you. If you're on a limited income, you don't need to go out there and buy cryptocurrencies, man. What's going on, Bigable? Get an alert saying this channel is something I may be interested in. So I thought, let's get started. Diffy stinking dog, man. Where you been, Diffy dog? Where you, Diffy? What the heck, man? I haven't seen Diffy dog since like 2021, dude. I thought you disappeared and would never come back. Diffy dog, glad to have you. Let's get started. Just being sarcastic. Oh, okay. Ah, jeez. You can be sarcastic all you want, man, but when I think you think that something's going to $10,000 a coin, all right. But hey, nonetheless, man, somebody who does own when is doing very well today because it's up 100% over the last 72 hours. If Bitcoin hits 100,000 and nothing happens to the price of Shib, then that's a massive red flag for Shib. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. I do agree. If Bitcoin's hitting an all-time high of $100,000, there's going to be mass euphoria in the crypto space. And if Bitcoin's hitting $100,000 and you're not seeing a run in some of the altcoins, you got to ask why, man. You got to ask why. And the answer is going to be because people aren't excited about them. They're not buying them. And that's going to be pretty bad for a coin like Shiba Inu coin. Been around, been on plenty of runs, people know about it, and if they just decide not to buy it during the next bull run, yeah, that is a red flag. I'd agree with Music Study on that. When, as in when. But darn, didn't even know about that coin. Dude, there's probably a soon coin too, man. There's probably a soon coin. So whatever you guys say, when, soon, now, moon, all that stuff, you're probably going to end up having a coin named after it, man. Let's see. Trying to dump BTC ETF token, and I just keep getting failures on Uniswap, and they keep taking my attempted transaction fee. Slippage, not good, at 1%, 5%, 15%, trying to sell 10,000 of them. Suzuki, let's see what, let's see if there's any, transaction taxes or anything listed on here that people will be talking about. let's see. I don't see any issues. What do we got here in terms of alerts? Just a whitelist. Oh, yeah, stop touching my eyes. I mean, I don't see any issues. I see a sell tax at 2%, a buy tax at 2% right now. But don't see any issues out here on Dex Tools. This guy's scored 99, man. It is falling through that level of support that we just posted up there a couple of days ago, though. Falling through that level of support could be a pretty bad sign. I don't know. I can't see anything pulled up from like these, you know, audits or whatever you want to call them from GoPlus and so on that would indicate why you wouldn't be able to sell it, though. Clean it your own coin, dude. We've been talking about Brocoin a lot lately, the music study. We talk about Brocoin a lot lately. And one of the utilities that I like for it, man, is that bounty retrieval. People go out there. I can't stand crypto thieves. Bounty retrieval organization, man. The Brocoin is the bounty coin out there. The bounty retrieval organization in full swing, making sure that the thieves have bounties on their heads. And that just means that the bounties have bounties on their heads, right? We don't need to go out there and take an actual thief's head. But we got to get that money back. So, we've been talking about it a lot, man. I was asking if this was your first bull run, because it's mine, and man, I can't wait for Shib to... Okay, so Crypto Con Raul Valdez Reyes. I don't know if you were talking to me or somebody else, but I started mining cryptocurrency essentially right after the 2017 bull market rally, the one that took Bitcoin. I did not own any Bitcoin at the moment, but I was watching it heavily and essentially watched it rip, dude, from $1,000 to $20,000 per coin. And of course, everybody called it a bubble. All of the altcoins were ripping. They said that it would never do that again, and cryptocurrency was done and dead forever. Well, after that, I started mining cryptocurrency, started buying some cryptocurrency, and 2021 bull market rally took place. So this one, would essentially be the third bull market rally that I would have lived through or been through or invested through or whatever. Be careful. Be careful. What one you hold, Suzuki? There's a honeypot version. Could be, that might be it. But this one doesn't seem to be the honeypot version. I was this close to throwing money into Troll and Mag with 5 zeros last night. Wish I did. Crap, dude. Where's this stuff at? Is it Troll and MAGA, or are these two different ones? Dang, man. Well, both of these have... Oh, this one doesn't. This one with 5 zeros. Yeah, dude. This one with 5 zeros here, up 25% on the day today. Dude, this one continues. This is a very interesting price pattern. Boom! Big old swing to the upside. Coming back down. Boom! Big old swing to the upside. This is a decently low market cap as well. Okay, $800,000 market cap right here. Major support levels. Okay, if you guys are interested in buying some of this coin, you now have support levels. 5 zeros and a 6. You've got support levels down... Cannot stand Dex tools like this. 5 zeros and a 45. You've got support. 5 zeros and a 3. And then, of course, major support down there at 5 zeros and a 1-5. So keep your eyes on that. But yeah, dude, this one is definitely looking good. This is actually on my watch list, along with... No, this is Ethereum. This is on my watch list as well, dude. This coin is freaking ridiculous. Let's talk about this coin for a second here. I believe, and I could be wrong, but I believe that this is the one that's listed on MEXC, okay? I wanted to buy this coin back in maybe October, November. I forget exactly when it was, but I could not sign up for MEXC, and it may have been before that. Might have been during the summer. I could not sign up for MEXC without either using a VPN or living outside the United States. And absolutely stinks because it's at $3.32 right now. Take a look at where this... Hold on. Take a look at where this stinking coin was just a couple of months ago. This is on the daily here. Back in October, November, 78 cents. And it's at $3. I don't think this was when it was. It was when it was listed on... This is when it was listed on MEXC. So, yeah. I wanted to get in. And honestly, I was probably going to get in this area right here. So I would have suffered some losses on it. But on MEXC, it was one of these days after it was ripping and it pulled back very large. I tried to create a MEXC account. I couldn't do it because I'm not VPN'd. And, I didn't want to risk anything, VPN and MEXC and stuff like that. But it would have been in this area right here. So it would have been in the 6 cent stupid price range. Dude, you could have averaged down a little bit on it with these stupid 1-2 cent price points that it was at. 300xing since then. From 1 cent to 330 cents. This coin is definitely a contender now, man. And I would like to see this coin. I would like to see this coin dip down. Okay, I truly would. It's one that I would like to add to my portfolio. But I want to see this coin ultimately hit $1 billion market cap. And be the next Pepe, the next Bonk, the next coin that everybody talks about. But, man, absolutely crazy, dude. Let's see. So you buy it after the... Yeah, so Crypto Cone Raul Valdez Reyes, man. I didn't buy in before the 2017 bull run. So it's not like I rode Bitcoin up from, I don't know, $1,000 to $20,000 or anything like that. So essentially, yes, bought mining equipment, bought some cryptocurrencies during the, 2018, 2019, into 2020 bear market. And then I traded some coins during 2021, and I did well trading coins during 2021. I held some coins all the way up and all the way back down during 2021. And I don't have any intentions of doing that during this next bull market rally, okay? So when I truly feel like it's just mass euphoria, excitement. People are no longer thinking logically, and they're buying the dumbest of the dumb little coins. They're ripping higher, and everybody's pouring money into everything, even though it's going to go against nature, right? Because everybody's excited and buying. At that point in time, I am highly going to consider selling off the vast majority of my cryptocurrency and either sitting in stable coins or, literally selling it out for dollars or whatever and just waiting, okay? I do believe that the cycle will repeat and there will be another bear market. So this time I'm not going to sit on as many coins all the way up and all the way back down. Like I say, I did well trading some coins back in 2021. But, yeah, this time, dude, I'm going to take advantage of it. And whether it's a 3, 5, 10, 20x, I will be taking advantage of it. I will be selling. Even if I sell too early, maybe I'll sell too late. But I don't want to sit on, essentially an invested portfolio during the bear market. I'd rather use the capital, whether it might not be 100% efficient, that's raised during this next bull market. I would rather deploy that in a dollar cost average method or, some other method during the subsequent bear market, whether that be 2026, 2027, into 2030 or what. That's my intentions there. Let's see. Where's Slipper Jones, man? Is this bro still being exploited in the merch sweatshop? So many questions, so little time. Diffy Dog, man. Exploiting the Amazon workers in the bro sweatshop. You can now get bro merch made directly from Amazon, shipped to you the very same day, and that'll take care of that one. Slipper Jones, man. We haven't seen Slipper Jones since you left, so Slipper Jones MIA for years now. And Chip Bro is still outside. Chipro's outside, and I've been putting some seeds out over the last couple of days since the weather was a little bit better, and those seeds have been getting eaten. So, it might be Slipper Jones, it might be Chipbro, but somebody's grabbing those seeds. Let's see what we got. I'm getting airdrop 3,300 Rift in less than 2 months, and they may be worth $50 each. JB, man, if they're worth $50 each, yes, baby. Sell them, JB. Sell them. If they are. The amount you're trying to sell is too much at once. Try selling smaller amounts. Talking to Suzuki, that could help there. Shib will do the impossible, just as Bitcoin did the impossible in the beginning. Not saying Shib will be bigger. Tight now in crypto, Shib is overlooked. And until now in crypto, Shib is overlooked, and we know how that will turn out. Blowed Tampa, man. I absolutely hope so. I hope that Shib is overlooked, and I hope that Shib does the impossible. Shib will overtake Bitcoin. Shib, hold my beer. There you go, man. There you go. Let's get started. Roulette wheel, man. I hope that does happen, but I'm skeptical that there happens. I was going to buy Mag over the weekend, and I didn't. Waited for it to dip. Yeah, Giovanni, man. If we're talking about this one right here, I've got the messages. I can go back and look at the messages to look at it. I was even messaging some people overseas that didn't have access at the time to MEXC. I wanted to buy into this coin. Right, and I didn't buy into this coin. I wanted to get it on MEXC, and wasn't able to. But yeah, dude, story of my life. I probably wouldn't have held it until now, though. There's no way I would have held it for a 50x gain from those levels, from 6 cents to $3. That would have been a massive, massive ride. I highly doubt that I would have held it up that high, but it would have been my Pendle story. It would have been my Dogecoin story. Reyes, Clay doesn't mind crypto anymore. It just makes videos. Yeah, it is very, very, unless you've got like the newest equipment, it doesn't make sense to do it unless you really want like that crypto anonymity. So I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. If you want the crypto anonymity, right, where you're not going out there and buying the cryptocurrency yourself, if you simply want to mine it to your wallet, and you don't want anybody to know you have that wallet and so on, yes, it can make sense to do that, but you are paying a premium. So at least where I live, not having solar energy or anything, the cost of electricity with my GPU setups would cost me more than it would to just go out and buy the coin. And that may change, right? Clearly, I can make the decision to mine right now. And then 2 years from now, if all these coins 10, 20x in value, okay, it would have made sense the entire time to continue mining. I was paying a premium at it, but now I have these coins anonymously and they're up in value. But right now, dude, if I can get, let's just say Zcash, for example. If I can get Zcash for $20 on the market, or I have to pay $60 to mine a full Zcash in electricity, which one are we going with? Clearly, I'm just going to go buy it on the market for $20. Why would I want to pay $60 in electricity in order to mine it? Now, you guys can start arguing, well, if you're mining, you can write off the electricity and it's a business and you've got your expenditures and then now you're bringing it all the way back down to the $20 price point. Yes, maybe, but it's just a lot easier at that point to click buy on 20 as opposed to clicking buy on 60. So yeah, it doesn't make too much sense right now unless you've got the most efficient equipment to mine cryptocurrencies at the current prices. Are you blurry or is it just my eyes? I'm getting older. I'm not sure, man. I may have looked blurry because there's this little Irian webcam logo here. Since I don't pay for the app, it's got the watermark that comes on and off. But I don't think that the camera is actually blurry. I think the camera actually looks really good right now. Might have just been a little bit blurry by my face right there because of that logo. Let's see. Same with Troll. Let's check it out. Pudgy, penny rich? Pudgy, what's going on, man? We need to know if you're penny rich. Oh, yeah, some spank in the market. Currently up 2.12%. Nice, Frank. Nice. How do I know the Amazon workers don't split my hoodies before shipping it? Well, I don't think there's any way you can guarantee that roulette wheel without possibly some sort of a DNA test. I guess it's just on like the trust basis of you would have to trust the manager on the Amazon warehouse or at the Amazon warehouse to fire an employee if they were found to be spitting on merchandise. So I don't think there's any way that you can guarantee that the Amazon workers didn't spit on your stuff. You just have to trust that they didn't based on manager at an Amazon warehouse making sure that people don't spit on their stuff, I guess. Got to go to another guy. There you go, Pudgy. Get a second opinion. What? That guy clueless? Might have been, man. Put most of my coins into Ethereum and in my maggot closer to September on a dip. Caesar, dude. Number one, Caesar, you got a green name. Shayna threw out a green name, and you got a green name today. So if you're in here, say thanks to Shayna. Shayna, I don't know if you're still in here or not. Also, yeah, dude, MAGA, and look, you guys could get mad at it. You guys could be happy about it. I don't care, okay? But MAGA is on my list. This one is on my list. Please, please, please dip down. I don't want to spend $3-4 on this stupid coin, and I won't spend. I will just miss out on it if this one continues to go up. I'm not going to buy this one at these levels. I will unfortunately just miss out on it if this one doesn't dip down and dip down big. There are a couple others that are on my list. The one that we were talking about here, MAGA with 5 zeros, is also on my list. This one right here. This one is still relatively small though. Okay, 1,000 holders, $800,000 market cap, and I do have this one marked up on my phone on my watch list with some levels as well. And I think this one will dip back down a little bit, and this one could do well. The other one, let's see if all right, they fixed it. The other one that is on my watch list that I will hopefully be adding to. I've seen this one hit $1 million market cap twice, and then subsequently jump up to like a $5 to $7 million market cap. This one as well. Okay, I really don't care if you guys buy into these, and I really don't care if you think this is some sort of a political statement. It is not. This is a money statement. I truly do believe that as the election heats up, man, towards the end of the year, a lot of these coins are going to be doing very well, and the volatility in these coins, it's going to kick up. So these are on my watch list. Those three specifically are on my watch list. And this one here, just straight up T on the Solana network. And then if you don't have Ethereum, that MAGA is also on the Solana network as well. If you guys do have Solana, if you're interested in trading it without gas fees, it is on the Solana network. Let's see if I can find right here. It's the same price. It's on the Solana network. It just hasn't been out as long. Same essential price action though on this coin right here, sitting at 330. So if you guys would rather trade that one without the gas fees, you have access to that one. But I am, and I mean I don't have to tell you what I'm buying and stuff like that, but I will be buying some of those. And dead serious, I plan on. All right, so Caesar, great man. I might have missed it, but I do plan on selling those before November. Okay, now that might end up being a bad decision if things get crazy afterwards, but I think it'll be some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event. So regardless of the election results, winning, losing, anything like that, either way, I think it'll be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and coins will come back down from those prices. So yeah, I will be adding those to my portfolio throughout this year, hopefully on dips, and hopefully closer to the election towards the end of the year here, with everything heating up. Hopefully they do start to rip up, man. $100 million, billion-dollar market caps and so on. Man. And sorry about the coughs, guys. Finally dumped it. Bitcoin ETF, that is. Fees were less than $10 just now on Uniswap to sell all 130 BTCF at a $600 loss. Good riddance. Suzuki, man. Sometimes that does suck, right? I know that feels like a dagger. I've sold plenty of tokens, sold plenty of stocks at a loss, but sometimes it just feels good to be set free, and I know it does. So I'm glad you made that decision, and hopefully now you can redeploy that into something else. Let's see. If you have a cable company power supply cabinet, run an extension cord. This is okay. Frank was trying to tell. Frank, are you trying to tell me how to mine cryptocurrency a little bit cheaper? I don't have a cable company power supply cabinet. I unfortunately don't have that. Pickle Coke, I don't think that I do, right? Unless it's on the outside of my house, but I don't think that I do. I'm with you on Mega Coin. I had it on my list also. Yeah, guys, and look, I'm not trying to make any political statements or anything, so YouTube, don't get mad at that. You guys don't get mad at that. I do think that they are going to see a lot of interest at the end of the year, and therefore you can make a lot of money on them, right? Simple as that. And it goes both ways, dude. MAGA, the DT coin, the JB coins, I think they're all going to go head-to-head. Roulette wheel, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Thank you for the coffee. Thank you for the water. Roulette wheel. Thank you for the only authorized hydration of the day. Man, I remember when Pat used to authorize my hydration all the time. Roulette wheel coming in hot with that authorized hydration right there, man. Thank you. If tickets selected, the stock market will double. Hey, roulette wheel, very well could, but I do think these cryptocurrencies, are going to see a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, regardless of the results. Could be wrong, but we've seen way too many buy the rumor, sell the newses in the crypto space for me to believe otherwise right now. Let's see. The market will do great. Hey, Jose, man, I hope so, right? I hope so. My intentions would say my instincts would say yes, but I hope whoever gets elected, the market does great. I want to see prosperity, man. I want to see people doing well. I want to see things going up. So my instincts say yes, but I just hope that no matter what happens, things continue to grow. Let's see. You know what? You guys, listen. I don't want it to turn into I share the same opinions as a lot of people in here, but I understand that there's a lot of arguing that can take place. I've gone down so many political rabbit holes that nobody wins from it, man. Nobody wins from it. I share the same a lot of opinions as you guys, and I'm sure you guys know that, and that is fine, but nobody wins from these just messes that people make. Nope, I just got tired to watch Bitcoin ETF get lower than my entry point at 0.06 and add more zeros. The longer I waited, better to be free. And sometimes it is, man. Clay, how soon before you think Ethereum ETF? You know, Giovanni, I'm going to be honest. I don't know if it's going to happen before the halving. I think that might be a little too soon. I definitely think you're going to get an Ethereum ETF. I, in fact, think that you're going to see, like meme coin ETFs, altcoin ETFs. You're going to see a lot of bundled ETFs over the future. I honestly don't know what the timeline looks like, though. I really don't, man. I think if they don't do it like soon, if they don't do it probably before June, I don't know if it's something that's going to get done with all of the political talk and election stuff that's going to happen towards the end of the year. So that's my opinion on it. If they don't make it happen before summer, I really don't know if they're going to make it happen this year. Let's see. Politics are for kids. Yes, they are, Combo. It's a money game, not a MAGA game. Either way, man, you got to make that money, right? Let's see. Peace out, bros. Later. Guys, 1 o'clock. It got here fast, man. Get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Guys, you've seen that I've done a couple sponsored videos over the last couple of days. If you want to support those, just go click the links in the description of those videos. Those guys go based on engagement. So if a lot of people engage with those videos and engage with those links, there's likely to be some more sponsored videos. So I do appreciate everybody willing to do that. Let's do these shout-outs, and we will be back this afternoon, man. Bonds, Bones, see you later, man. Roulette Wheel, Jose Bolsera, see you later. Roulette Wheel, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank, man, have a great afternoon. Suzuki, see you later. Giovanni, enjoy it. Kombu, see you later. Caesar, man, see you later. Giovanni, Kombu, Roulette Wheel, see you later, man. Bender, peace out to you. Honorarium, Frank. Jose, man, have a great one. Yankee, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yankee. Happy birthday to you. Yankee, man, happy birthday. SD, later to you. Geoped, Johnny, Suzuki, Just Jeff, Yankee. Pudgy saying peace out to the diamond-handed, hands up rocks? I don't know what that is, man. Praise rocks? We got something going on there. Giovanni, enjoy it. Caesar, Suzuki, Jose, Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez Reyes. All of you guys, you know what time it is. Just Jeff. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.